Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to easily crop without adding effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're using Adobe Premiere 2025, then it is very easy. Example, okay, already I have loaded the video on the timeline and I need to select it. Okay, once you select, you can see there is an option transform and crop. So you need not to add separate effect control. Okay, you need not to add crop separately. There is a options crop, but I'm going to delete it. Okay, so here, right, you can see this. You need to select the video file and then click on this drop down and you can choose crop. Super cool, right? So now you can see, now you can easily crop it. See, super cool, right? You can easily crop it. So example, I'm going to put some image here or any other video. I can bring it here. Example, I'm going to put the video here. Okay, there is an image. So I'm going to use crop. Select the image. Okay, select the video or image file. Selection V tool. Click on that. And here go. If transform is selected, you need to change it to crop. That's it, friends. Now you can crop in this way. And again, you can change it to transform. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can use the crop options in Adobe Premiere. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.